Things are looking a little festive today, if a little bit belatedly. Look at all of the snow. But that hasn't stopped me from making the adjustments to Marduk. You can see I've got the legs mounted in their nice wider space. I have the sway bar connected to the upper steering knuckles, so it will now steer with the linear actuator. I've got a sensor cable attached to the sway bar that runs into the modem cable that comes all the way up through the torso out here. So depending on where this wire is located, the length of it, you can know which way the mech is steering. Can put that into the sort of crude indicator that I had in an earlier video, or maybe just like a straw or something so it can travel along the straw to show the steering. I've got the rear of the motor carriage all nice and well reinforced with a L bracket. You can see that right there. I've also got some better wiring on the pedal, so the wiring to the steering actuator is actually sort of looped on instead of just held in place with screws and a prayer. So it should not come apart as easily. I have the brakes all connected up to the lever, but unfortunately they seem to be a little stiff, so they take a lot of effort for the brake lever to be pulled and to actuate these sort of little hats here. See, I'm doing that with my hand, just pulling on the bar right here. So maybe I might want to go with a majority of engine braking instead of relying on those brakes all the time. But you can see that the current position of the wheels means that it's going to turn in a this way direction. So all I have to do is lubricate the cables in the arm and attach the sort of armpit hinges, because you can see right there they're not attached. So the mechanism isn't working at the moment. But I attach those, lubricate the elbows, and put on the deltoid bungees, which help lift the arms up. You can see them dangling right in there. So do that, and then I should be ready for another test run. You know, just as soon as I snow blow this winter wonderland. So, oh yeah, and I probably should get around to putting the door on at some point. But that's all for today, so be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.